Are you waiting for something? Oops. Alright, good morning guys. Check this out. Something new in the car. It's a Friday. It's 10:40. I think it's gonna rain. So anyway, guys.
Go.
Yeah, I know I can't rush.
You can.
Make me
focus.
You're trying to make me do illegal stuff.
Like you don't do a truckload of illegal stuff when you're off camera.
Yesterday, we dropped our new episode of our vlog.
You can't say
not
yesterday because you won't be launching it today. Your vlog.
Oh yeah, the last vlog. The last vlog.
That's right.
Matt was really unhappy with something in the last episode. She was unhappy with her hair, so we're gonna get it fixed today. Oh, check out the cool nails. Check it out. Check out the cool nails.
I think our vlog is kind of lame. Nobody cares about our life.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter who cares about our life. I just like to do this. So I'm gonna keep vlogging because I like to vlog. It's fun, it's creative, it's time consuming, but I like it. The process of creating the vlog. And one day, many people will watch it. I have faith in that.
See, just now when you're talking to me, right? It's totally different when you're talking on camera.
Really?
Yeah, it sounds more natural.
Cool.
Yeah,
That
try
means
that.
I'm more natural now.
No,
Getting more
no.
natural.
But when you turn back there, you become like commentator. It's really not as nice to listen to. You have to think like you're talking to me or talking to somebody.
So guys, well, this is also an issue that I have with new friends. When I talk to them, it's a bit awkward like this. So you guys are my new friends, so I'm talking to you in a bit awkward manner. So do bear with me. Once we get acquainted and once we get to know each other better, then we'll talk more naturally. But for now, it got to be like this. You know what I'm saying? It's a bit awkward, and then I talk like naturally to you, and then yeah. Am I right? I'm right to say that. I'm right to say that. Do you guys feel a difference when I talk to the camera and when I talk to Matt? Is there a difference? Comment in the comment section below.
Why if you talk like so much already, right?
What?
Talking like from just now until now, then 我没有 record 到。check.
Yeah.
哎呦有哎 but then there's no battery already.
Oh,
Spin to the meeting.
like that?
Yeah.
You never say anything. You must say something. Then say spin the meaning. See that there's low bets.
Slow bat now, and then we don't have a spare battery, so let's just spin to the meeting. Bye.
Alright guys, so sorry guys. We're here at Somerset 313 and we're slightly late. It's 11:10. There was heavy traffic today, and hey. Yeah, so now we're going over to where?
Orchard building.
Orchard Building. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're here for the meeting at Kulture. You can see, check it out. It's at Orchard Building Tower. So we're having a meeting with Sarah and I should join the meeting.
Our very popular flavor would be this one, acai. Acai is a berry from Brazil. Is a superfood. Like it has a lot of antioxidant. And it's very healthy for your body if you take it like regularly. So in order to create like this entire bowl, right? So fresh fruits like bananas, blueberries, and granola, strawberries, and the toppings now like almond butter. All this it will be placed right after we blend. Let's try it. So
It's very yums.
Fit sport, they really like, after a workout, they really want like protein heavy kind of drinks. So superfood smoothies will be very suitable for them. I'm pretty sure they want to know more about like people sign up, they want to know more, but they don't know like where to start from. They are at the stage I don't know what to ask because I don't even know what I don't know. It will be a very basic basic introduction 101 to understanding what you are eating. So if we have the workshop, I think it will be quite cool.
What's recommended?
try the drink or the bowl?
The drink.
The chulo is not bad because it's acai. But then if you like coffee, right, then there's a robusta, right? The robusta, it has espresso shot inside, and we have cacao nibs, and acai as well. Yeah. So if you like coffee infused inside, right, then you can try this.
Very nice.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice. Hey, yours.
Mine. Thank
That looks like
you.
Milo.
Coffee.
Yeah, there's coffee inside.
Nice.
I thought that's sensible.
Yeah.
The sweetness you get right is completely like 100% natural. So there's no sugar and all. It's really healthy.
No wonder the sweetness is just nice. It's not like overwhelming like some sweetness, right? That's artificial.
Okay. Cheers. Okay, we better not hold you out anymore. Bye bye. How you want?
I'll try.
It's nice.
It was sweet, yeah.
Oh, it's 12 o'clock already. You can't eat anything. You need to go, right? Yeah, what time's your hair?
12:30.
12:30? Oh, we could have a quick lunch. So we just finished the meeting. It's 12. This kukasa drink is coffee and it's kukasa. It's really very nice and it's very fresh. And it's not even a hot day today, it's a rainy day, so get this kukasa drink. Oh, we're gonna have discount. Woo! Okay, so now we're going for lunch. Matt's gonna do a hair at 12:30, so see you up there. Let's go. Auntie, 可以加菜吗？
加菜可以啊，
可以。
我怕你吃要吃，给你太多饭，
不
怕你吃不完，
对。
不敢问你。
谢谢你。
谢了啊，慢慢吃了啊。
We're here at basement. We're gonna have our lunch. We need to finish it fast.
I need to go and get mine.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, check out what I got. I got the Indonesian barbecue. The serving is very generous. Chicken, sotong, rice, veg, and an egg. What you got? Chicken and iswa.
炸鸡排.
Just finished lunch. It's late. It's 12:30. So let's spin to Bum. 3, 2, 1. Spin it. Alright, we're here at, check it out, Bum Hair Salon. Matt's up there, pouring behind me. So let's go into a B-roll. 1, 2, 3, edit. Hey! Back from holiday?
Today.
Because now no enough stylist.
Oh,
Just to,
You have to bring more.
Yes.
Sonny, it's gonna work on Matt's hair. Okay, so Sonny has hiccups. We're gonna try this. I ask you a question.
Yes.
You say yes. Do you have an egg?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Oh yeah, alright. Try it.
See? No problem, right?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so it works. Matt's choosing the hairstyle she wants and the hair color. I think she's gonna go for a big change. See what she does.
The same as this one, right? More or less.
Yeah. Similar.
How did you do it? I'm excited, but I'm so tired. Okay, bye. See you later.
So I'm here back studio. Time now is 1:40 and I have to teach at Queenstown Primary today. We're gonna have Primary 2 auditions. Let's go. Just reached Queenstown Primary. I got myself a coffee. It's a healthier choice. Kopi also like pink. Well, I should be drinking hot coffee, but going to go up now. Not gonna bring the camera up. Yeah. See you guys. Let's go. Time check, guys. It's 4:46. Just finished choir. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go and grab food before I head back to the studio. See you guys back at the studio. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, guys, we're back at the studio. Check out Matt's hair.
Report. Okay. Like what?
Matt in black.
Hey!
Matt in black.
Are you taking me? Is my hair okay?
Yes.
Stop.
Meet Random G. So from now on, all the vlogs will be edited by Random G. Miss Random G over here. taking over vlog duties. Right. So you can start now. Random view, picking up the phone.
Oh my god.
Let's see how professional.
Hi, Culture Studios. It's so annoying.
So how do you feel about the hair?
I like it.
Like it?
You think it's boring, right? You always find.
If you ask me, guys, I personally prefer lighter hair color.
Oh, you love this.
Oh, DJ Matt doing all the songs for tonight's bounce class. Alright, that's right, guys. So tonight, Friday bounce class. I'm supposed to have a vocal class now, but Eunice is sick, so get well soon, Eunice. I'll see you next week. But guys, I want you to check out something. Look at this. Check this out. Woo! We have incorporated something really exciting. It's our resistant band. Our logo. Ta-da! For our retail store, this is one of our products. You can get it. And we'll be working out tonight with the bands. Do join us if you want to come down for bounce and resistant band training. Join us. Come on down, have some fun. It's 6:04. I'm going to meet the developers. Let's go for our Skype meeting, guys. Let's go. Yeah, correct. So the note duration will be based on the song. The Beauty and the Beast, right? This girl is singing till as old as time. So if time is hold for 2 seconds, so the rectangle will be 2 seconds. Just finished the meeting with the developers and spent about 1 hour discussing all the details of the app, and everything looks good to go. Oh, they're calling again. Hello?
Propagation bonus. In here, you can see our timeline with voice at least.
Nice. Yeah, that's good. We can do that.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so check this out. Light from Sephora. Clip it on here, and that's my light. Just finished the Skype meeting again, and everything looks great. Quite a long meeting to solve algorithms, technical stuff, but every day we're trying to solve more problems, testing out the app. It's 7:10. I got to get myself boosted up, so I'm gonna. Ooh, today's Friday. One more class. I'm gonna get ready for bounce class. We're gonna spin to bounce class. Spin.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. You're solo singing on my own. Now I can't find the key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. I just wanna be part of I just wanna be part of
I think 9:50. I'm not sure what time is it now, but just finished bounce class. Let me get some light. Everybody did really well, had a lot of fun. Check out what's happening urban class now. Let's go and see what they're doing. Alright, so guys, that's what's going on in Urban. Crew of the month. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. I want to see you guys down, dancing with us, jumping with us, having some fun. We have a lot of fun activities coming up. So guys, stay tuned for more. Do subscribe. I'll update you guys as much as I can. Stay safe. See you on the next vlog.